everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on Mobills application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Tap open the Mobills application from your app drawer. If you're already logged into your Mobills account, you'll first need to log out of it. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on log out in order to log out of the account. Tap on yes in the pop-up and you will then be redirected back to your main interface. Now select I'm already registered and tap on continue with email. Tap on forgot your password on the next page. Enter the email that is associated with your Mobills account in the text box. Once you are done, tap on continue. You will now receive a password reset instruction sent to you via your email. Open up your email inbox and open up the email that you received from Mobills. Click on the link that you received and select a web browser from the list. Type in the new password once you get to this website. Make sure to create a password that is 8 characters long, which must include numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and a special character. Confirm the password by re-entering it again in the next field and tap on save. You have now successfully changed your password. You can get back to the application and then log in using your email and the newly created password on the next field. Now tap on continue and that way you will be able to log in with your new password. That is how easily you can change your password on Mobills application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.